Yo, what's up guys, how you doing? I just arrived to Seminyak. I just made 1,200 videos, mostly from Bali, around 100 maybe from different destination locations. I hope so you didn't get bored, because today I'm in Seminyak. It's sunset time. This is the Seminyak 66 beach area of Anantara Hotel just behind me. I'm gonna show you, as always, what's going on here. Let's start today from those places here. This is at the front of Anantara Hotel on 66 beach, and there are obviously some Warungs places here. One of the most characteristic places here is the restaurant over here. It's called Stress Gado Gado, where it's full of people with the tables. After that you have some small Warungs where you can buy coconut and other drinks. Obviously people chilling, enjoying, like this one. I think I'm gonna show you a whole entire strip up to 66 beach today. Mostly people coming here for afternoon walk, sunset view, of course. There's empty gap sometimes where you can find nobody, which is also cool. Sunset looks like this one, gonna be soon. Overall, you can rent the sunbeds. Somebody was just asking recently, one of those boys, for the sunbed, and they said they are renting for 100,000 per one sunbed, as long as you want. So you can come even during the daytime and sit till the sunset, and will be fine. If you don't want to rent the sunbed, you can simply come to one of the restaurants. There are plenty of them, and sit on the beanbag just for free. I mean, you have to still buy something in the place, but you can sit and enjoy. You don't need to rent the bags. Of course, loud music, sunset vibe, umbrellas. This is what Seminyak is about, especially 66 beach area. Yo, what's up? So many big speakers like this one, so it's gonna be loud, keep it in mind. But also you can have a surf lessons if you would like to, and well, bar next to each other. Each bar have a different music. All of them, they look pretty the same. Building, promenade, and umbrellas and the beanbags. Little bit, everyone is little bit different. Music is pretty loud, but it's still enjoyable to walk. In general, it's really not that bad. You can find also gaps where are nothing here, like this one, between the restaurants. Some locals having some small warungs as well. And then another restaurants, and basically the strip is like this one all day long. However, still the most popular one is this one, the most colorful one, which is the famous legendary La Plancha. I'm telling you now before I'm gonna catch the loud music. Yeah, that's one of the local warungs. Next to it, here we go, and check this out. Who is sitting here with the pink helmet? I'm gonna surprise. Hello. Sorry, you get scared. Okay, I continue my video. What's going on? Winnie just come back from the work, stay with the laptop, so she's not gonna walk. Meanwhile, this is the La Plancha, famous La Plancha with the sunset view, and that's how does it look like. Always busy. Also, they have a place in the building you could enjoy, like this one. They have a DJ, obviously, and overall, people simply enjoying loud music. The most busiest place here in general. That's without doubt. And then yeah, that's how. This is what is it. Yeah, Barung speakers are everywhere. So only key with this place is like La Plancha, and the previous one is that you know, the music is pretty loud. Not everybody like it, but well, that's how they create here in Seminyak. There's another bar, of course, you can enjoy. Less people and quieter. However, they're gonna have a live band. They playing the Bob Marley recently, perhaps. But one thing what I realized, maybe this is because it's weekend. It's actually middle of the week. It's Tuesday when I'm filming that, or Monday. I'm not counting the days actually in Bali. For me, every day is the same. There are many empty gaps, so it's not like on the weekends. On the weekends it's busier. However, even this beginning of the week, still some people enjoying the time. Overall, thanks to the new promenade, you can walk now on the beach. Previously, you could walk only on the street, which is over there behind this gap here. There's like a little street where normally I used to stroll also, but today I will show you on the promenade side. If you don't want to sit in any of these bars, literally on none of them, you can simply just come here and enjoy a little bit of the beach like this one, just pretty empty gap and the sunset. So the bars are there, and basically you hear only little bit of the music from the background. Also another music coming from this hotel, I don't know what's the name, but they are hotels also. So, you know, but perhaps this restaurant here, what I don't know the name, I think have no music at all. Some people also chilling and enjoying without music, perhaps. Only very Dijoglo, that's the name, and there's only little bit of the music inside the building, but no loud music outside, which is, you know, pretty enjoyable. And then there's another gap, not much is going on. Pretty quiet on the beach, actually, during the beginning of the week, but that's maybe enjoyable even more when there are so many crowds. And of course, this is the 66 hotel, luxury hotel. I mean, they call it luxury, it's just 5-star hotel anyways, in Seminyak. It's called 66 and 66 beach spot. So that's the Seminyak vibes. Basically, also you can see some people surfing. These waves are not so big, but some people surfing in Seminyak as well. Overall, people coming just to having a look or just having a drink, and surf is as the bonus, I could say. Also, live band gonna be on this side. I'm trying to zoom it a little bit for you from the far perspective. They already start playing just before 7 o'clock. So if you like, you can enjoy it. Also, you can come here and make some pictures of these statues like creatures here. Some people making pictures. I'm standing here for a few minutes watching what's going on. They're making pictures like this guy, a photographer. So this is also Hotel Indigo is at the front. So this bigger building over there is 66 Seminyak, and this one is Indigo Hotel, and the bar what belongs to this. The same situation like it was in the past 3 years. Actually even better, because it's open previously last year still, where those places were closed. At least the Hotel Indigo, 66 was open all the time through the pandemic. And well, I'm gonna go to the beach a little bit, show you. Of course, their aunt is selling the bracelets and the sarongs and everything, so keep it in mind. They are always here. They're gonna have a live bands later after sunset, so the music is louder actually at night. Some people using steel map. That's actually cool. Didn't see anybody using the traditional map since ages, but they're using it. Cool. And this is already the border between 66 and Seminyak beach. And where is this new building with the statue on the top of it? There's the border between Seminyak and Legian, and then there will be Legian, but today we are focusing on Seminyak itself. Some people walking time to time, some people just enjoying. This is what you can do in Seminyak on the beach side, simply enjoying the sunset. That's the situation from the restaurants, what you can find. And I like this one, the B9B, whatever it's called, because they have a blue shark with the funny looking sunglasses. Looks actually cool. Of course, more shady a little bit, because they plant the coconut trees, palm trees, which gives you actually very cool atmosphere of the tropical island. This is actually really nice just because of little trees. Even they are just planted recently, it's gonna look totally different. And I'm going to the beach a little bit to show you the sunset. What I'm gonna tell you, just wanted to show you a little bit, probably shorter, a little bit. Beautiful overall, that's the view. During the sunset gonna be literally in 40 minutes or so. There are sunbeds closer to the beach as well. Hotel in the background and all of the bars in the background. It's the same mix with the tourists, international, local. Aunt is gonna try to sell you something if you don't wanna buy, and you can still talk with them. Definitely, they are happy. I make a few videos with them, well, you will have to buy something if you're gonna talk very long anyways. Definitely quieter recently. In short, what you can do here is simply enjoying the sunset, enjoy a few beers, maybe some light snack or dinner eventually in Tres Gado Gado. Most of the bars here selling also some snacks, of course the beers, coconuts. That's what people coming here just to chill, maybe a little bit of sunbathing, of course watching the sunset. Pretty enjoyable, especially right now. For some reason it's quieter. Overall it's quieter in Bali since the last few days. Not only in Bali, also my views on YouTube feels a little bit smaller, so that means something. Let's see next upcoming weeks how's the situation gonna look like. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care.